Matthew 25. That even the little they have shall be taken away from them. But because you brought your talents for the usefulness of this association, and as the founding chairman of this association, our God shall multiply you. Amen. Don't say that, oh, I'm disappointed.
No, I can't.
If there are things in your view we're not doing well,
My leader is already
you have opportunity to correct it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't believe that if things are not going well.
The agenda from this was very limited because of the essence of Kadeka. And also, we could know what our focus on have this in our mix as well. Our more people they come. Because the government focus on what we came here to today.
Chief Whip. Because
kitchen. It's a guide. You got a kitchen. It's all your mother, dear.